Why is English an important language? First of all, English is the most used and spoken language around the world. At least 1 out of 5 people can speak or understand English. Secondly, English is the official language of 57 countries in the world. You can communicate with the people from different countries or continents. Overall, English it is a language used in business, science, and technology. Learning English will a chance to get a job and improve networking skills.
Why we need to learn English? There are many reasons to learn English. For example, if you can speak English, it gives for you access to the world of entertainment. Many of the world's top films, books, and music are published and produced in English. Therefore, by learning English, you will have access to a great wealth of entertainment. If you speak English, you will not need to rely on translations and subtitles anymore to enjoy your favorite song, music, and films.
No wonder that English is being one of the most common languages nowadays. So let's consider some purposes of learning this language. The first assertion is that over 70% of information is in English language. So learning the ropes of the language gives you opportunity to become more confident, more informed person. So along with this, significant part of people strive to get education in English-speaking universities, sometimes work abroad or even immigrate to English-speaking countries. And that was the second example. So the next reason isn't less important, and it is related to worldview and self-education. It definitely helps you to enrich your worldview. And in addition to this, being able to communicate in English language, it can give you some confidence in traveling, either traveling or working. It just can help you to feel more confident. And the last one is that you can share your information and you can make living at it. So that's an important aspect. And as a conclusion, I want to emphasize that learning this language, being able to communicate in this language, gives you opportunity to get plenty of experience.